Alright, here we have 2 points that this line is going through. Again, if you wanted to write this, or rather draw this on a graph, that may help you find the slope and the y-intercept. I don't know if it does or not, just looking at these, but if that helps you graphing, use that method. It's not going to be a big deal. But otherwise, we can go ahead and use this example, which we're going to do right now. So the first thing we're going to want to find is the slope. Okay, so I have m, which is the slope, and I'm going to choose this point to be my first point, so that's my x1 and y1 values, and I will go ahead and use the equation in this example because some of you guys like it, and that's alright. Some of you guys don't like it, and that's okay too. But my x1 and y1s go on the right, y on the top, x on the bottom. Okay. So we know that's going to be minus a negative here, which will change to a plus, but we can wait there. This is going to be my x2 and y2 values. So y2, again, goes in the top left specific, and x2 is in the bottom left specifically. Now I just need to add and subtract these. Negative 7 minus 11 would give us a negative 18. And 3 minus negative 6, again, I'll change that to a big plus. That would give us 9. This can be simplified. Negative 18 divided by 9 is negative 2. So we have our slope. Now I'm going to go ahead and write this in point-slope form. You don't have to use point-slope form. If you want to use slope-intercept form to find the y-intercept first, you may do that. It's on one of the previous videos. You'll go ahead and have to look at that. I think it was 3 videos before this one. Otherwise, I am just going to go ahead and use point-slope form in order to simplify that into slope-intercept form. And in this case, I'll go ahead and just use negative 611. There's nothing easy looking about these, so it's not going to matter which one I use. Let's go ahead and replace m with negative 2. And then I'll go ahead and replace the x1 and y1 with the point that I chose, which was a negative 6 and 11 here, right? I use this point. And yes, I will change that to a big fat plus. So in order to solve this, what I'm going to need to do is to distribute the 2, so I've a negative 2 rather, so it's a negative 2x minus 12. And we still have that plus 11. And this all equals y. So when I combine these, I still have this negative 2x, so y equals negative 2x. But I'm going to have to combine the negative 12 and the 11, which would give me a negative 1. Bam! We're done with this thing. That is slope-intercept form of the line.